Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to share with you on the Samsung Galaxy A01 how you can get the battery percentage to be shown on your display. So as of right now, by default out of the box, the A01 doesn't actually show the number, the actual percentage of battery life that you have. It just shows the battery icon and that's pretty much it. So if you want to have the actual percentage shown, definitely stay tuned because I'm going to share with you how you can get that battery percentage to be shown on your A01. Alright, so the first thing what you want to do on your Samsung Galaxy A01 is go ahead and pull down the status bar. Once you pull down the status bar, you're going to see three dots on the upper right hand corner. Click on those and then go ahead and click on status bar. Once you click on that, you're going to see the option for show battery percentage. Go ahead and toggle that feature on, and then you can go ahead and exit out. And just like that, you will now have the battery percentage shown on the upper right hand corner of the display of your Samsung Galaxy A01. As you can see, it'll be shown in the app drawer. You can jump to the Play Store, you can Google search, you can pretty much go on any application, and now you'll see the actual percentage of battery that you have on your Samsung Galaxy A01. So that's pretty much it for this video. Definitely consider subscribing if you're new to the channel because I cover all types of different devices and I produce all types of tips and tricks, videos, tutorials to help you with your brand new smartphone. With that being said, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up button and thanks for subscribing to the channel. This is Paul Tech and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.